Joe Beermaster. We have a 2007 Chevy Impala. This goes for multiple years. This customer had an airbag deployment and he had it fixed, so he wants a new airbag put in. So I'm going to show you how to take this airbag out and reinstall it. It's not going to be an active airbag, so I'm just going to show you how to take it out to put it in. And you always want to disconnect the battery before you work on any airbag parts, and refer to manufacturer's instructions because it could be very dangerous. So in this case, if you look on the left and right side of the steering wheel here, see that little hole? We're going to stick a little screwdriver in that hole. You have to feel around, and at the same time you pull on this and it will release this side. Then you do the same for the other side. It's always good to have somebody help you, because sometimes you pull this side, then you go to the other side, and this will lock back on. So once you got that off, you can see these two wires holding it on. We're going to take them off with a screwdriver. I'm going to lift those little yellow tabs up. So once you get the yellow tab out, on these little clips you want to squeeze the side, both sides, and pull out. You may need a screwdriver. Once everything's connected, we just push it in. There you go.